Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prioritizing safety and reading the label. It governs where and how long the product works. Put on gloves and avoid breathing the mist. Leave children and pets out of the area. Once done, move or cover food, dishes, and bedding, and open windows to ventilate. Test a small hidden area to check finish compatibility, because Raid formulations can discolor certain fabrics or finishes. Make sure to note the required dwell and drying times listed on the label before proceeding. You now apply the spray with controlled, precise motions to maximize efficacy and minimize residue. Shake the can thoroughly, hold it 6 to 8 inches from the surface, and use short sweeping bursts rather than a continuous stream to prevent pooling. Focus on target areas: baseboards, carpet edges, cracks, windowsills, and entry points where fleas hide. Avoid spraying open food or dishes. Once done, allow the product to sit for the labeled contact time and do not reapply until the recommended interval has passed. You finish by letting treated areas dry fully and keeping people and pets out until the label's re-entry time. After drying, ventilate the space for 30 to 60 minutes to disperse any lingering fumes. Clean up by washing your hands and laundering exposed bedding on a hot cycle, because heat kills remaining eggs. If fleas persist or rebound, make sure to vacuum daily, empty the vacuum outside, and treat pets with a veterinarian-approved flea product. This combo treats larvae, adults, and prevents reinfestation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.